Hi, one of my viewers asked me if I know how to cut out shape from text, and basically to make it look, for example, a byte has been taken from a letter of the text, and I would have recommended watching my beginner's guide video on Boolean operations, but there is an extra step here that you need to take before using this on text, so I decided to make a video. And if you're new to Inkscape, I really recommend watching my beginner's guide videos, as they are short, to the point, very detailed tutorials on pretty much all of the options and tools in Inkscape. I have some stuff that I haven't covered yet, but if you watch my videos, you'll probably not need any further assistance to use Inkscape. So let's see how we can do this. First, I'm going to grab the text tool and just type text. F1 for the select and transform tool. Holding down the shift and control key, I'm going to expand it like this. And let's also make it bold by going back to the text tool and select the bold option. The next thing we need to do with this text is to convert it to a path by going to the path menu and choose object to path. Now we have right now a group of 4 objects, so we can use this option to group them, and now each letter is individual. Control Z to undo the movement of the letter. And now we have to create our shape, so you don't have to create a byte or a byte mark. You can create all kinds of shape that you want, that you can cut in out of the text. But let's try a byte mark. It's not going to be a pretty one, but I'm going to try to simulate something like a byte mark. Create a few circles here, and let's position them something like this. Maybe let's try with this. I'll select them all, just click and drag like this and group them. Actually, not group them, but go to the path menu and choose the union option. And now I'm going to go ahead and position them over here. Hold down the shift key and select the letter. Then go to path and select difference. And you see we have our byte mark from the text. And like I said, we can do this with all kinds of shapes. We can grab a star, for example, place it over the text, shift click on the letter to select it, path, difference, and we have cut another shape out of the text. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to do, and you can have a lot of fun with this and create a lot of interesting stuff. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that it was useful. If it was, like it, leave a comment. Visit my channel for more Inkscape tutorials. Subscribe if you are new. Visit my GIMP tutorials channel. Link is in the description. That's it for this one. Bye.